Another day, another story to tell. So, mag-uusap tayo. So, may tumawag sa atin ngayon nang sinasabi niya meron na raw siyang term insurance. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, good, may term insurance ka na. Pero alam ng mga tao na ang term insurance meaning temporary insurance. Temporary insurance meaning it's good for 10, 20, and maximum of 30 years. So, after 30 years, you get another one. So, kung nag-avail ka ng term insurance, after 30 years, bibili ka ulit. So, it will based on your current age. Pangalawa, it will based on your health condition now. And, ibig sabihin nun, all the money you put in is gone. So, meaning to say, mag-i-start ka na naman ng panibago. Kasi, ang beneficiary lang natin ang magbe-benefits nung kinuha natin. Which is good, we leave the legacy. But, may option ka. So, nandito kami para ipaliwanag sa'yo, explain sa'yo na merong ibang insurance na pwedeng... So, ano-ano ba yung needs na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo? First is the cash value. Pangalawa, it has living benefits. Pangatlo, it can be used for retirement income. So, ano pang inaantay mo? Ikaw na bahalang mamili. It's either you choose the living or the living benefits. It's your call. So, PM me below for more details. So, bye!
What's up, guys? Another day, another day, another day, guys.
Say bye-bye!